Believers Radio. Believers Radio. Hey yo, welcome back again to Believers Records, the show where we drop a hit every 4 times of the week. So guys, in today's video, I'll be walking you through this free future drum kit. It's crazy, man, I'm telling you. Crazy sounds in here. Yeah, I know how we do it on this channel, man. We always kill it.
You skeptic? Believe it. This is Believers Records.
So before we actually move any further, I would like to give you that daily reminder. If you're new here, kindly subscribe to the channel. It surely does help us a lot. And be sure to hit the notification bell so you can get notified every time I drop you some heat. And also, if you like this video, you can go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Alright, let's go ahead and move on straight into this. So the 808. The claps. The hats. The kicks. The percussion. The snares. That's it, man. It's not so much of a big hit, but you know, it's enough, you know, to inspire you just a little bit, just to hit that drop of inspiration inside of you, man, just to make you start making crazy banging beats. Yeah, man, you know how we do it on this channel. It's Believers Records. So yeah, man, that's it, man. So enjoy the kit, make crazy banging beats with this. And I would like to mention that I do offer mixing and mastering services. So if you guys are down for that, just hit me up with my number and we'll talk. So that's it, man. Enjoy the kit, make crazy banging beats with this, and I will see you on the next one. Goodbye.